Welcome to Spice of Life. Today we're making aloo keema. Let's begin. First, pour 1 cup of oil into your pan. As the oil warms, add 500 grams of beef keema, ground meat. Mix it in to start creating the heart of our aloo keema. Did you know that aloo keema is a beloved dish in many South Asian homes? The mix of potatoes and minced meat creates a meal that is both hearty and satisfying. This dish holds a special place in many families' hearts. Next, add 2 medium onions. This step is crucial because it brings out the onion's sweetness, adding depth to our dish. Now toss in 2 tablespoons of chopped ginger and garlic. Add 2 tablespoons of green chilies. Mix everything well and let it cook for a few minutes. The fragrance is already amazing. This is when the kitchen truly starts to come alive. Now add 3 medium potatoes, peeled and diced. Aloo means potato in Hindi and Urdu. My mother diced the potatoes perfectly, knowing how important this step was. Sprinkle in 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, a tablespoon of coriander powder, and salt to taste. Add a pinch of kalonji seeds, giving it a unique and slightly peppery flavor. Mix everything well, ensuring the spices coat the potatoes and keema evenly. Next, add 2 tablespoons of mixed garam masala, cinnamon, cumin seeds, black cardamom. Pour some water, just enough to create a rich gravy, and mix it all together. Now add 2 medium tomatoes, stirring them in gently. These spices warm and flavor the keema. The term keema means minced meat in Urdu, from Turkish keema. Cover the pan with a lid and let it simmer for about 20 minutes. This melds the flavors, creating a rich dish. Fresh coriander leaves add the final touch. As the aloo keema cooks, think about how this dish is not just about the ingredients, but the love and care you put into it. Cooking is about love and warmth. In the final moments, sprinkle some cumin seeds. These finishing touches add a fresh, vibrant flavor to our dish. Add some julienne ginger. And there you have it, your delicious aloo keema, ready to be served. Enjoy this meal with your loved ones, and let the flavors bring you closer together. Thank you for joining me on this cooking journey. Please like and subscribe for more lovely dishes. Have a wonderful day.